Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Jump now, man. Got the spinner.
Welcome to Trending News JA. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now, in today's video, we have talked about MC Nuffy. I don't know if I name or why I live up towards, but him did a behave to Nuff the other night on Vybz Kartel show in a Tortola, British Virgin Island. So, for all who watch the show, you can see when Kartel in a momentum, a wall of vibes and a try to build a fire. At them time, the Nuffy come in with him antics and his shenanigans. And I don't know if I excited, didn't get too excited because Kartel a PM, good money and thing. But Nuffy have no time and place. You get me? I say, you are just an MC and not an artist. Kartel then I migla when I tune, him a Ja Vinci, and Nuffy and I migla it with him fuckery. Yo, people are talking about it a lot, Nuffy, and me I tell us, yo, Kartel really are gonna go places and other shows, and you can't do that. So you really have to get the act together for you, Nuffy, you see it? So I want the people in the comment section, just tell me what you think. Nuffy overdo it, not true? And if so, you think Kartel for use him again, and the rest and show them are, you know, and just need a talking to. Let me know what you think.
Jump now, man. Got the spinner.